Each of you have your cards, and I've been giving you each an equal amount of cards. I think you have 6 or 7 dominoes.
I have
okay. So what you have to do is we're going to start with the first one because it says start.
Right.
And there's a picture on the other side. What is that a picture of?
A lamp.
A lamp, right? What's the first sound you hear in lamp?
L.
Can you do the sound? Okay. Because the L sound, you can sing it. You can keep singing as long as you hold your breath. Right. What letter makes that sound?
L.
L. So now look in your dominoes and see who has an L.
U.
I do. So now I get to put my domino down.
Okay.
So what's the next picture?
A hammer.
A hammer. What's the first sound you hear in hammer? Right. You can't sing. Just gotta stop. So what letter makes that sound? What letter?
H.
Okay, let's find the H. Who has an H? Gina! Very good. You get to put the domino down. All right. Now what's this one?
Zebra.
Zebra. What's the first sound you hear in zebra? Tell me.
Like a bee.
Yeah, you can sing it. What letter makes that sound?
Z.
Z. Oh, Dad's got a Z. All right. What's the next picture? I know, Tyson, you got to get
An
one.
umbrella.
An umbrella. What's the first sound in umbrella?
U.
What sound does it make? Very good. Do you have it?
Are you?
All right. You get to put it down.
Yay.
Our board's getting pretty big. Anybody know what this is? I bet your dad knows.
Jacks.
School
Jacks.
game.
That's right.
Jacks. What's the first sound of Jacks?
J.
J.
Dad's doing a good job saying.
I said J. I said J. I said J.
What letter makes that sound?
J.
J. Who's got the J? You know your one. Now this is a tricky picture. It's something that's on your bed.
I know what it
floor.
is.
What
I
is
know
it?
what it is.